Is your HP printer printing perfectly but refusing to scan? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes that actually work. This issue is usually caused by connection problems, outdated drivers, Windows services, or HP Smart App errors. First, make sure your printer is powered on and connected properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, confirm both your computer and printer are connected to the same network. Next, restart your printer, your computer, and your Wi-Fi router. This simple step often restores scanner communication. Install the latest HP printer and scanner drivers. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons scanning suddenly stops working. If scanning still doesn't work, restart the Windows Image Acquisition Service. This service allows Windows to communicate with your scanner. Open HP Smart and perform a test scan. If the scan completes successfully, your scanner is back to normal. If this guide helped fix your HP printer scanner, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy HP printer troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching!